Wake up is a common English phrasal verb. The core meaning is to stop sleeping and become conscious or awake. This is the most basic and literal use of wake up for beginners. Here are simple everyday examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning shows daily routine. The alarm woke me up early today shows something causes waking. Notice wake up can be past tense as woke up. Wake up has several one-word alternatives. Awaken, arouse, rouse, waken, stir, and awake all mean similar things. These formal words replace wake up in different situations. More real-life examples help understanding. The baby woke me up at 3 a.m. shows a sound causes waking. Sunlight woke her up early shows natural waking. Different things can wake people. Wake up has figurative meaning too. It means become alert after being inattentive. This is not about sleep, but becoming aware or active mentally. Wake up creates idioms. Wake-up call is an event making you aware of danger. Wake up to means become aware of a problem or truth. These extend the basic meaning. Figurative examples in sentences. I woke up to the danger too late shows late realization. The accident woke him up to reality shows event causes awareness. This is metaphorical use. Quick review of wake up. Literal use is stop sleeping. Figurative use is become aware. It is separable so words go between wake and up. Wake-up call is the noun form.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.